Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering NECO 2019 Biology Past Question 3. The largest phylum in the animal kingdom is A. Annelida, B. Arthropoda, C. Chordata, D. Mollusca, and E. Porifera. Now, the animal kingdom, also known as the kingdom Animalia. The kingdom Animalia is actually composed of 8 phylums. It's made up of 8 phylums, ranging from your phylum Porifera, the Colenterata, the Echinodermata, the phylum Arthropoda, your Annelida, phylum Mollusca, Chordata, and so on. Now, out of these 8 phylum, the largest of this phylum is the phylum Annelida. Arthropoda, sorry. You know the Annelida is for the earthworm, so the phylum Arthropoda is the largest phylum in the animal kingdom, and this is because the phylum Arthropoda is composed of the insects, the class Insecta, is composed of the crustaceans, and the arachnids, that's class Arachnida, the arachnids, and also the myriapoda, that is the myriapods, comprising of the what? The centipede and the millipedes. Now you agree with me that the arthropods, or this class and phylum Arthropoda, making up of insects, with the largest, because in a population the insects are always what? The species with the largest population. Now them falling under the phylum Arthropoda, together with the crustaceans, the arachnids, which are the spiders, and the myriapods, which compose of the centipede and the millipede, has made what? The phylum Arthropoda the largest phylum in the animal kingdom. And that is why what? Option B is correct, because option B says Arthropoda. So phylum Arthropoda is the largest phylum in the animal kingdom. It is larger than any other phylum. It is even larger than the phylum Chordata, which is made up of what? Vertebrate animals, that is animals with backbone. So it is actually what? The largest phylum in the animal kingdom. Thank you, and make sure to subscribe to our channel to get more videos and past questions.